Hey folks, today I will show you a quick vegetarian flatbread breakfast sandwich. This is the FoldIt 5-grain flatbread by Flatout. They also make flatbread for wraps, pinwheels, and pizza. This one here is the FoldIt. And as you'll see, it easily folds and makes the perfect sandwich bread. You can obviously choose what you like, but here is an example of my breakfast sandwich fillings. 2 vegetarian breakfast sausages, onions and jalapenos, a mix of cilantro and watercress, avocado, and some homemade salsa. If you want to make it even more hearty and traditional, you can add a little mayo and eggs. There are some great vegan options out there. And voila! Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.